Hi everyone, I'm here again because I want to explain further on how to make intermittent fasting work. I already made a video before about the detailed information of intermittent fasting. So you can click the link below if you want to watch it again, or for those who doesn't know much about intermittent fasting. So I know some of you tried the IF or intermittent fasting, pero alam ko yung iba hindi kinaya. So nag-stop na lang sila. But I understand that because intermittent fasting or IF is not easy sa una. Take note sa una. It means kakayanin, di ba? Because it needs a lot of strict discipline for the first few weeks. Siguro naman yung weeks kakayanin natin yon until ma-adapt ng katawan natin. So kasi if binigla mo siya, hindi mo kasi siya pwedeng biglain. Gutom mga abutin mo. Minsan may hilo ka, or if may hyperacidity ka, matitrigger ito, which is not good. So now I'm going to explain on how we can make IF work. Kasi nga hindi ito pwedeng biglain. Let's do it by process. So I'll give you some tips on how to overcome gutom or hunger. Alam natin masarap kumain eh. Pero don't worry kasi pag na-adapt yan ng katawan mo, hindi ka na magiging gutumin. Like in my case before, ang lakas kong kumain ng kanin. Mga 1 rice lang naman. 1 rice cooker. Charot. Pero, yun nga, pagka na-adapt na ng body mo, hindi ka na magiging gutom yan. So, that's true kasi, yun nga, pagka okay na sa'yo, yun, kakasanayan mo na. But again, first few weeks, strict discipline ang kailangan. So, ito ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon. So, please keep watching and don't forget to hit subscribe and hit the bell. Okay? For more videos in the future that can help. Sana it can help. Okay. So, bye for now. Let's talk about it. Let's start. So that's it, guys. I'm telling you, this is the fastest way of losing weight. All you have to do is to follow, and you really need to have a self-discipline. Ano ba naman yung self-discipline for 1 to 3 months if it's going to benefit you naman? And once you see the result, you will be very happy. And this is already proven effective, so just do it. If you really want it, you will get it, right? So, thank you very much for watching and have a good night. Good luck.